Alan Dale from Gale Force Winds. I'm having a great time here at Herzing College right now, walking around, seeing some great things happening, teaching some real skilled trades. It's fantastic to be here. Why don't you introduce yourself? Tell us what you do here at Herzing.
My name's Rocky Delana. I'm a professor here for the plumbing course. What I do is I get these guys for the pre-apprenticeship to get into plumbing, show them how it's done, explain the basics, and also give them hands-on experience.
Rocky, you've come from the industry. How long were you in the industry before you start teaching?
25 years.
25 years in the industry, so you're bringing a lot to the table when you come here. Do you treat your job more as a teacher or more as a coach? How do you look at it?
I look at it more as like we're on the job site.
Okay.
I give them real world experience.
Right.
We are more journeyman apprentices.
Right.
That's my motto with them. I like to give them the whole reality, the whole truth about the whole industry, the way it works.
Right.
From working to communicating to all of it.
That's important, right? It's important that when they come in here every day, that they're treating it like they're going to work, right? This is not about school for you, Rocky. This is about making sure you get the best out into the field so your colleagues can have the best student, right?
Correct, because what we do is, what I've learned over the years is like, every student's different. So I call them my apprentices here. So everybody's different. I find their strengths, I know what their strengths are, then their weaknesses, we build them up even more.
Right.
So I treat everybody individually, but I treat it all as one big unit on a job site.
Yeah. And you're right, Rocky, that's a great point, right? Everybody learns differently. Everybody's got different things happening in their lives. Takes guys like you to take a chance on some people sometimes, right?
You know what the thing is from experience, I just think anybody could do anything. We all know this.
Right.
Anybody could do anything that they want to do. But the way I look at it is sometimes they just need a little bit of motivation and being told that they can. And show them that it's not that hard as you think it is. Right. You know, life's short. We could do it all.
Yeah.
And I tell these kids, just need motivation. Just believe in yourself. The first thing is to do is believe in yourself. And I appreciate these guys. You get to know them, you bond with them too, like you would on a job site. I even tell them, don't call me sir, let's call me Rocky. And I'm gonna call you by your first names. We're gonna be all treated here like adults. Because that's what we are, and we're gonna work together.
Rocky, it must feel great for a guy like you to see people come into your program at the beginning, maybe a little unsure of what they're doing and can I really do this? And then to see them come out the other end with some great skills in hand. Tell me about that.
Well, listen, the first thing I do with these guys when they first walk into my class is I'll take them to a lab. I'll take them inside here. And I'll make them do just a simple little project. I'll show them a video. Okay, this is what we're gonna do. Make them try it. Then I go, just remember this moment. Remember doing this. Because when you guys are near the end and almost completed, you're gonna be able to do something completely what you didn't think you'll be able to do.
Yeah.
And this is what they're doing.
And the type of things that you're training here, they're needed in our country right now. Like they've never been before.
They're needed in our country, they're needed in many other countries.
Yeah.
A trade is a trade.
Right.
Okay, most people, I tell these younger kids, I call them kids because it's just call them kids, but I tell them that this trade, you could go anywhere with it. You could go here, States, you could go overseas. Other countries, plumbing's plumbing.
Plumbing's plumbing. You know, that's a great thing for them to understand, that once they get this skill, this trade in hand, really the world is wide open to them. And it's just good paying jobs.
100% a good paying job.
Yeah.
Like I said, nobody wants to do this.
Right.
This generation, these generations coming up are more interested in video games, TikToking. They want to work behind a desk. They don't want to do, a lot of kids don't want to work with their hands anymore.
Right.
And learn
the ones that do get a great opportunity.
100%, because it's needed out there. All the older guys, like there's a generation before me that's just retiring now. There's about maybe 6,000, 5,000 that are gonna retire.
Wow.
We have to fill that void.
Yeah.
You know, and I give, like I said, I give these guys real experience, this is how it works. This is how we do it. I don't lie to them. I go, it's hard work. You're gonna be tired. Sometimes you're gonna be impatient with things, but you're gonna get it.
Yeah.
But it just takes time. That's why it's a 5-year apprenticeship.
Right. Rocky, it's been an absolute pleasure to be in conversation with you. Appreciate what you're doing here for these folks.
Pleasure. Thank you very much.